Hi there, my name is Daniela Hofmann and I am from Woodbridge, Ontario, just north of Toronto, and I have a med spa which I've owned for quite a while, and I've been wanting to come, I've been wanting to learn more of Dori's tricks and tips, and I've been following her for a couple years now and finally bit the bullet and came to leap ahead. And I can't even tell you how much I have learned, even though I've been in business for so long. Coming here, really, it's like a turnkey business. I'm going back with so much information, I can't even, I can't tell you enough of about how much I've learned here, and I'm very excited. She's even made the implementation process easier, so I'm very excited to get back to my team and start implementing right away.